Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of robotics with 5 exciting project ideas that cater to both beginners and advanced enthusiasts alike. We'll be building everything from simple robots that can follow a line, perfect for those just starting out, to more complex ones controlled by hand gestures, showcasing the incredible potential of robotics technology. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy lab or expensive equipment to get started. We'll be using readily available components that you can easily find online or at your local electronics store. Plus, we'll be providing you with all the resources you need, including detailed tutorials and guides. Get ready to learn the basics of robotics, from programming microcontrollers, which are the brains of your robot, to integrating sensors and actuators, which allow your robot to interact with the world around it. So grab your tools, fire up your imagination, and let's get building. Let's do this. Together, we'll explore the endless possibilities of robotics.
Our first project is a classic, the line-following robot. This project is a fantastic introduction to the world of robotics and automation. Imagine a robot that can navigate a course by detecting and following a line on the ground. It's like giving the robot a set of eyes to see and follow a path. We'll use line sensors, which emit infrared light and measure the reflected light to determine if it's over a line or the ground. These sensors are crucial for the robot to understand its environment. These sensors connect to a microcontroller, the brains of our robot, which processes the data and controls the motors. The microcontroller acts like the robot's central nervous system. We'll use 2 DC motors to propel and steer our robot. These motors provide the necessary movement and direction. The real magic happens in the code, where we tell the microcontroller how to interpret the sensor readings and control the motors. Writing the code is like giving the robot a set of instructions to follow. Seeing your robot autonomously zip along a line is incredibly satisfying. It's a testament to your hard work and understanding of robotics principles.
Level up with our next exciting project, the obstacle-avoiding robot. This robot perceives, analyzes, and reacts to its environment. We'll use ultrasonic or infrared sensors to detect and identify obstacles. A microcontroller processes the sensor data and makes split-second decisions to avoid potential collisions. The microcontroller commands the motors to steer the robot safely away from obstacles. Building this robot gives you a taste of how advanced autonomous systems work, from self-driving cars to robotic vacuum cleaners.
Unleash your inner engineer with our next project, the robotic arm. This project is all about precision and control. We'll use servo motors to power the joints, giving the arm a wide range of motion. A microcontroller will control these servos, orchestrating the movements of each joint. You can program the arm to perform specific tasks or control it in real time using a joystick or computer. Building a robotic arm is like taking a crash course in kinematics, the study of motion.
Step into the future with our next project, the Smart Home Robot. This innovative device is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. This project integrates advanced robotics with the Internet of Things, IoT, creating a seamless smart home experience. Imagine a robot that can turn on lights, adjust the thermostat, or water your plants. It's like having a personal assistant at your service 24/7. We'll equip our robot with various sensors, including temperature, humidity, and light sensors, along with a Wi-Fi module for internet connectivity, ensuring it can interact with your home environment intelligently. A powerful microcontroller will process all the sensor data, communicate with the internet, and control actuators to interact with the environment, making real-time decisions. Building a smart home robot is a fantastic way to explore the exciting world of home automation and IoT integration, offering endless possibilities for innovation and convenience.
Experience the magic of human-machine interaction with our final project, the gesture-controlled robot. Control your creation with intuitive hand movements. We'll use an accelerometer or gyroscope to detect changes in acceleration and orientation. These sensors capture your hand gestures and translate them into signals for the microcontroller. The microcontroller processes these signals and commands the motors to move the robot. Building a gesture-controlled robot is an exciting journey into human-machine interaction and sensor data interpretation.
Thanks for watching. We hope these project ideas inspire you to start building your own robots. Remember, robotics is all about exploration, creativity, and pushing boundaries. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your failures. With a little imagination and a lot of tinkering, you can create robots that solve real-world problems, entertain, or simply amaze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content.